This beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom duplex is located in the heart of Cape Coral, just minutes from Del Prado Boulevard, shopping, dining, and local parks. Offering the perfect blend of privacy and convenience, this home features a private entrance, attached garage, and an indoor laundry room. Inside, you'll find a bright open-concept living and dining area with tile flooring throughout, perfect for easy maintenance and Florida living. The kitchen comes fully equipped with modern appliances and ample cabinet space, making meal prep simple and enjoyable. The spacious bedrooms offer generous closet space, while the screened-in lanai and sparkling pool overlooking the backyard provide the perfect setting for morning coffee or relaxing evenings. This home includes an attached garage with additional driveway parking, a washer and dryer, and lawn and pool care for added convenience. Lease terms require a 1-year minimum. Renters are responsible for water, electric, internet, and other utilities. No smoking is permitted inside the home.